Hey everybody, this is Andrew with Hardware Artisan. Today I'm going to be taking a look at another piece of RGB. This one's from GIM, G-I-M. It was purchased off Amazon. It's a made in China. It's a rigid light bar. It calls it, what does it call it? A double-sided RGB magic hard lamp. So what kind of drew this to me is it's like an LED strip, but it's a rigid bar, almost like a lamp as opposed to a flexible strip. So kind of like the look of that. It looks like it's got, it's kind of a diffused light. It's got a diffuser built in, which is something that's interested me lately. I don't, obviously you just don't go stare at a bare LED, but so I thought I'd check it out. This company looks like they do make a kit that has a controller and a remote and all that, and it will work with that, but it reportedly works with, Asus Aura sync, Asrock, MSI Mystic Light sync, and Gigabyte RGB Fusion. So I've just got my Asus ROG terminal up on the desk here. We'll just figure we'll pull it out, take a look at it. It should be a short video, not too much to it. I think this is it's 15.7 inches. I think it has 14 LEDs in it. And so let's take it out and see if it's worth using in your PC. So it's magnetic on two of the sides. Those are big magnets on there. And then of course this is the diffused look to it. And a couple of different connection options here. And that little 4-pin connector would obviously go to the GIM controller. And here we've got some just your standard 3-pin connections. This will be what connects up to the ROG terminal. So let's plug it in, check it out. All right. And there you go. I see what looks to be 23 LEDs in there, not 14. I just was going based on the list. It didn't really say how many LEDs are in there, but not too bad. We'll try a couple of different sequences through the Aura Sync software. We've got red, we got orange, we got yellow, we got green, kind of a light blue, darker blue, purple. Going around the color wheel, setting a couple of different things. Looks like it's pretty responsive. Not too bad. Let's put blue on there. This is going to be the breathing mode. So far so good. Strobing. This is color cycle. Rainbow, of course. This is Starry Night. And again, this is being controlled through the Aura Sync software. That's music. Let's put some music to it, see if it will do anything. A little bit of rock and roll there. Looks like it's working okay. All right, that looks like that's working fine. Those are some pretty big magnets. I'll have to put this in the PC case and see how it looks. But overall, for 16 bucks, it's not too bad. It's not the most amazingly constructed. It's a little, I mean, it's pretty rigid. It's not like Corsair quality, of course, but it's, you're paying a lot cheaper of a price for this as well. So overall, not too bad. I kind of like it. I will stick it in the case and get some video of it. They do make two sizes of this. It looks like this is the bigger one. This is 40 centimeters. The other one is 30, so about 25% less. Because it is fairly lengthy. I'm not sure exactly, but well, I'm sure it'll fit in this case. I'll get it in there and we'll take a look at it. I'll plug it into the MSI or the Gigabyte motherboard header. I'm not sure that board has one. I'll have to take a look. But either way, I'll get it in there. We'll take a look at it, what it would look like in your case, and we'll go from there. All right. All right, everybody. This is the GIM light bar lamp installed in my basic PC here. This is with Aura Sync control in it. Most of the lights in here are Corsair, and I know there's a way to get Corsair to control Aura Sync lights, but I don't have that capability right at the minute, and my old Gigabyte motherboard won't control it. I don't think it doesn't have an ARGB header. So all in all, I think this is a pretty cool bar. If you've got a motherboard that's got an addressable RGB header, it should work fine for you and fit into your ecosystem. You know, again, yeah, look on Amazon. I'll put some affiliate links in the description below. You can go check that out. They do make this that comes with a controller and a remote, so you could, you know, just do a standalone setup if you'd like. And again, they do make this in a shorter version. This is a pretty big case, this Cougar here. So anyways, I hope you like that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're interested, and I'll keep making videos. More RGB on the way, I'm sure, and I enjoy doing it. And anyways, that's it for now. Have a great day. Bye.